Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to replace your chain guide, in my case the E13 TRS Plus. In this video my crankset was already removed, but you can do the same procedure without removing your crankset. The chain guide is tightened to the frame of your bike by 3 Torx 25 screws. Just untighten the 3 bolts in order to remove the chain guide. Remember that between the chain guide and the frame there could be some spacers. These spacers are used to have a correct and centered alignment between the chain guide and the chain ring. In my case, since it's a replacement of the same chain guide, I checked the screws and the spacers in the new version I bought, picking the components that were matching the previous ones. The spacers were a bit different, as you can see from the video, and I picked the one with the same width of the old ones. In the box is also present a bush for smaller chain rings that have 28 or 30 teeth, if you need it. Put the correct spacer between the chain guide and the frame, and start to tighten the 3 screws with your hand. As for the correct orientation, the chain guide should be perpendicular to the ground, and I personally used the marks on the broken one. The screws need to be tightened at 6 Nm. Now you have to align the guide to the chain ring, and I had first to restyle the crank for that. Open the upper guide, then unscrew a bit the black bolt so that the guide can slide, then move it in a way that the bolt will be aligned between 2 teeth of your chain ring. Then tighten the screw at 6 Nm. Before installing the chain, check that the spacers you used are the correct ones, by verifying that the chain ring is located at the center of the guide. Now you can install the chain again and check that for every gear is not touching the guide. If you need to check how to remove your crankset, please check the video in the right upper corner above. I hope you will find this tutorial useful. If yes, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to the channel for free. In the meantime, happy maintenance and see you next time.